Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news.
Bonginkosi Kanyile, who is the former economic freedom fighters, has joined the Patriotic Alliance PA. Kanyile was unveiled alongside 5 other people by PA Deputy President Kenny Kunene on Thursday. Introducing the former ANC and EFF member, Kunene labeled Kanyile as a young leader and praised for his activism. This is a man who has gone from the ANC to the EFF and has put his life on the line for fee must fall for the students of this country to get what they are supposed to get, which is free education. A young man that continues to inspire the youth, who has been treated like a terrorist in this country when he highlights the plight of young people. Please join me to welcome the young leader Bonginkosi Kanyile, he said. Please subscribe for more news.